Hello everyone, this is Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button now. And on with the video. So, first of all, I'm hoping that I've got my camera lined up right because I've only tried this at least 5 times. And for some reason I'm just having a hard time with making a video tonight. Have you ever had that problem? If you have, please tell me in the comments below, because for some reason I've just, whoops, and now I'm hitting the camera. I'm just very tongue-tied tonight, so I don't know what's wrong with me. I was going to share something with you guys. I guess you would call it a haul. I didn't buy this. Actually, it was a gift, what I'm going to show you. My youngest daughter that lives with me, Shelby, went to visit my oldest daughter down south in Georgia, where we used to live, and my grandbabies. She went down there over the weekend, Labor Day weekend, and she went to go see them, and I wish I could have gone, but it's over an 8-hour drive. So with my health, it's just impossible for me to travel. So anyway, she went to go see him, and of course I did video chat and everything, you know, with him, and I do that periodically. And if you're friends with me on Facebook, you'll notice that my picture has changed. And there's a picture of my girls, my grandbabies, now on my Facebook picture. And my grandson is holding the phone, and on the phone is me. So they've got me in the picture with them because I was on video chat with them. So they wanted me in the picture with them. So it's really cute. It's funny. I didn't realize at the time. I look really bad in the video, but you can't hardly see me anyway because it's pretty blurry. But it was funny because they were saying, we're putting Meemaw in the picture too, you know. So it was really cute. So I was like, oh, I didn't realize, you know, I was in the picture. And they were like, well, we told you you were in the picture, but I didn't realize I was actually showing up in the picture, you know. So, but that was cute, and it was fun to, you know, be able to be kind of involved in it, you know. Just wish I could have been there to actually touch them, you know, hug them and kiss them, and, you know, my grandbabies and everything. But at least I got to, you know, see them and see, you know, their reactions when I sent the gifts and so forth, you know, and see what they were doing, you know, with Shelby and everything. So anyway, with the video, Krystal had sent some gifts for my birthday up with Shelby. So I was going to share that with you, what she gave me for my birthday. She went to Tuesday mornings because she knew how I love Tuesday morning, and she has one near you. You'll have to excuse, I hadn't even told her yet. Shelby had left them. She came in really late last night. Went straight to bed. It was probably close to 2 o'clock in the morning. She had to get up early this morning. And then, bless her heart, she hasn't been feeling well. She's had acid reflux, really bad. And her medicine hasn't been working on her. So, anyway, she's been fighting that. But anyway, she left the bag of stuff in the car. And, of course, it was really hot. The sun, you know, of course, got to everything. And Krystal had given me 2 of these little candles. They smell really good. Shelby said her car smells like fall now. Pumpkin nutmeg pie. And let me tell you, these little candles really smell good. Even with it closed up, I can smell it. But she gave me 2 of them. One of them I had to kind of remelt and fix, and it worked out fine. This one I think I need to do a little bit too, because it kind of melted to one side. But I have a candle warmer, and I just sat it on there and turned it on, and it melted all back just fine. And I'll do the same thing to this one, but the other one had melted. Some of the wax came out really bad, and you can see where the wax is on some of the packagings, but nothing got damaged, thank the Lord, so everything's fine. But anyway, yeah, she got this candle, and like I said, the whole house just smells like this pumpkin nutmeg pie. And it's even on my hands. It smells so good. I'm like ready for fall now. You know, it was feeling something like fall because my body was just aching and starting to really feel it in the air last week and a couple weeks ago. Even the leaves have started to change and started to fall some in the backyard. But now we've got this hot, humid air this week. You know, it's just crazy. So, but I'm sure it'll be starting to turn cool here again pretty soon, because it usually does this time of the year up here in Kentucky. So anyway, this candle, it just really smells good. But she got me 2 of those little candles. And then she knows how I love this. Yeah, it does. It smells really good. This lavender incense and an incense holder. I can burn those. And she got this little thing for Christmas here. This is so cute. I love this. I can't wait for Christmas now for this. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? Can y'all see? Is there a glare? This says Mom on it. I thought, oh, that is so cute. I have one that says Ella on it for our little dog Ella. So I'm looking forward to put that on the tree. I like the little box she had in it too. And then Shelby got me the little purple Sharpie markers. She knows I love purple. And I hope I've been showing everything on camera. I hope I'm not too zoomed in. Make sure. Okay. Alright, and now here's for all the goodies. So she got me these little Jolies. She said all this was on clearance that Tuesday morning, so the price that's on here is not what she paid. But she got these little football stickers. So I can use these in my planner. Be fun to use in there. Or if I want to make a card for my husband or something like that. And then she got these I can use in my planner. So yeah, she knows I'm doing that planner now, so that's why she got like these stickers to use. She knows I do the planner and I make cards and all that. So. And she says, well, I figured I'd go to Tuesday morning. And she said, I know you like mugs. She said, I could have gotten you a real cute mug. She said, but I know you have a lot of mugs. And, you know, you're like me, you got mugs. She says, but I figured I'd get you something that you could really use, I thought you would like better something that you could use, in your crafting. So I said, yes, you know me very well. Yes, I'd rather have something for crafting. So then there's this jelly bean soup, chipboard, little tags, it's by Hampton Art. So this is the designs right here. So those are real cute. Those I can be using in some journals that I'll be making here coming up. And so I was really pleased to be getting these right here. These are pebbles. And there's the design. See, you can see where that wax is melting. And thank the Lord it didn't get on the stuff inside, which I probably might need to go ahead and open them. Get them out of there. So these little ephemera pieces. Don't ever let me go. That's cute. I like these. You're awesome sauce. That's you to be mine, Valentine. These are cute. I only have eyes for you. Wild about you. I want to chill with you. That's cute. Let's be friends. So these are, looks like they're the Valentines, but a lot of them you can use at any time. I like you and naps. Oh, this is cute. Hey Valentine, you're cool with the little popsicle. Let's see. I love you from my head and, let's see, I love you from my head tomatoes. Oh, that's cute. You are officially awesome. That's cute. I'm stuck on you with the little band-aid. That's cute. I love you just for you. You're the jam. You make my heart melt. Little ice cream cone. You're extra special. Extra special. Here's some little hearts. Oh, here's a pizza one. You're stolen a pizza, my heart. Little heart. You're a grape friend. That's cute. This kitten is smitten. I love you very much. And those are so cute. Oh, those are cute. Okay, and then here's another jelly bean soup from Hampton Art. And these are alpha tiles. So, for more great ideas. Okay, so yeah, they're just all different little alpha tiles. Oh yeah, they're just little alpha tiles like this. You can use them like stencils or use them the way they are. So there's that. And then she got these where I can use in my planner or my Bible journal. These cute little clips. And here is some more, a big old pack of ephemera here. Oh my goodness, there is a lot of ephemera in here. I'll just show you on the back. I'm not going to open these. You got little cameras and, oh, I love the little typewriter here. Some words and all kinds of different little pieces, glittered pieces. You can see all that. And this is from Heidi Swap. So look, you can see all that. Look at all that. There's a lot in here. It says 103 pieces. So, I wonder if these are stickers. Ephemera. No, I guess it's just ephemera. Okay. And then the last thing is a DIY shop crepe paper wood veneer frames. Looks like this. Yeah, you can see all the wax on this one. They're okay. Oops. Uh-oh. Did I just break them? I hope not. No, they're okay. Oh, these are cute. All these different little frames that you can do things with. And then they got these little embellishments too to go with them. Okay, those are cute. So that's what she sent for my birthday. Fun little things to play with. In my stash, so I'll have to find me a little baggie or something to put those in. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you guys so you could see what my daughter had sent me, and just let y'all see all my goodies that she sent for my birthday. So I thought that was so sweet of her. My grandkids gave me. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like Tuesday morning, give me a thumbs up, and tell me if y'all like, in the comments down below, if y'all like to go to Tuesday morning. Tell me in the comments below, how often do y'all go to shop on Tuesday morning, or if y'all have a Tuesday morning near y'all. Let me know. I have one near me, but I don't get to go too often. I actually have two pretty close to me, and I wish I could go more often, but since I don't have an income anymore for myself, it makes it a little difficult. So yeah, I don't really get to go out and shop like I used to. So unless I sell something, or which I don't usually do too often. So anyway, yeah, give me a thumbs up, please comment, please share, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching, and y'all have a blessed day. Bye now.